England is a country in the world which has ruled over 88% of the world's land. That is why it was said about England that the sun never sets in its empire. This country has ruled over India, America, and about 50 other countries. Today we tell you some interesting facts about England, after reading which you will know some unique things about this country. Interesting facts about England, Amazing England Facts. 1. England is counted in the continent of Europe. But it is located on the island of Great Britain, 110 kilometers away from the mainland of Europe. About 75% of the island of Great Britain belongs to England and the rest belongs to Wales, Scotland, and Southern Ireland. 2. In the terrible fire that broke out in London in 1666, almost half of London was burnt down, in which only 6 people were injured while no one died. 3. There are 8,500 Indian restaurants in the United Kingdom. This is 15% of all restaurants in this country. 4. England's first telephone directory had only 25 names. 5. There are more than 30,000 people named John Smith in England. 6. England is 74 times smaller than America, 59 times smaller than Australia, and 3 times smaller than Japan. But England's population is 2.5 times more than Australia and the population density is 2.5 times more than Japan. 7. The highest temperature ever recorded in England is 38.5 degrees Celsius, whereas in India the daily temperature in May and June is often around 40 degrees Celsius. 8. Around 300 languages are spoken in England. 9. India is the largest producer of tea in the world, but in terms of tea consumption per capita, England is the leader in the world. 10. In medieval England, animals were punished if they committed any crime. 11. The national anthem of America was composed by an Englishman. 12. Windsor Castle in England is the oldest and largest royal house in the world. 13. The Queen of England has authority over all the fish, whales and dolphins in the sea within a distance of 5 kilometers from the land of England. 14. J.K. Rowling of England is the first woman to earn more than $1 billion by selling books. She wrote the Harry Potter series. 15. 25% of people currently living in London are from another country. 16. Since 827 AD, there have been 74 kings and queens of England. 17. Most of the sports played today have originated in England, such as football, cricket, rugby, hockey, archery, etc. 18. The most popular sport in England is football, followed by cricket. 19. The world's oldest zoo and largest museum are in England. 20. Southern England is colder than northern England. Its eastern part receives more rainfall than the western part. 21. In England the number of chickens is more than that of humans. 22. In medieval England, criminals who committed major crimes were boiled in water until death. 23. The game of golf was banned by King James II of England in 1457. 24. The word England originated from the name of the Angles tribe. This tribe came from Germany and Denmark and settled in England about 2,200 years ago. Later these Angles came to be known as English. 25. No place in England is more than 113 kilometers away from the sea. 26. In the United Kingdom, when a person celebrates his 100th year, he receives a personal congratulatory card from the Queen. 27. When a member of the royal family gets married, the whole country celebrates a one-day national holiday. The last time this happened was on April 29, 2011, when Prince William and Catherine Middleton got married. 28. Due to the economic recession of 2008, the Central Bank of England reduced the interest rate on deposits. Reduced from 5% to 0.10% had to be done so that people reduce depositing money in the bank and spend it, which will increase the demand in the market. 29. In Britain, about 30,000 crore rupees worth of custom number plates were sold in 2020. These numbers were purchased for expensive as well as ordinary vehicles. Britain's first number plate DY was issued on November 1, 1903.